So I mentioned that a local company that had been acquired by Boeing was acquired yet again. So about 20 years ago, there's a drone company called Insitu that's in the gorge, so Columbia Gorge area. If you're not familiar with our region, Portland sits on the Columbia River, but if you go back east a little bit on the Columbia, if you go upstream, that's where Insitu is located. And they are really the granddaddy of drone activity here in the region. And, their success led to things like the Oregon UAS Accelerator out in Pendleton and the drone flight facility and all kinds of drone activity throughout the Pacific Northwest. Insitu can actually be credited with that activity. And because they were working on such compelling things, Boeing picked them up about 20 years ago, acquired them, and they kind of remained this somewhat independent, wholly owned subsidiary working on drone stuff. Well, it appears that Boeing is ready to divest from those assets. So I think there were 3 or 4 companies in total that Boeing wound up selling to Archer. And that was announced this week. And if you're not familiar with Archer, I wasn't, but I done some digging, and it's super interesting what they're working on. It's like a really, really big swing. What Archer does, by way of analogy, is they're kind of like Waymo, but for air taxis. So they're building autonomous air taxi drone thingamajigs that are capable of carrying people without pilots. So super interesting. Again, really big swing, like Panthalassa level big swing. And super excited to see what this whole new divestment of Boeing, that all these companies that are now part of Archer, if that really starts to move the company forward further, faster with all that expertise and knowledge and technology and all those kind of things. So super exciting for the drone space. I'm sure super excited for our friends at the Oregon UAS Accelerator. So I wanted to make that the top news story because it's going to be something incredibly important for our region as this Waymo for air taxis comes to fruition. So of course I will keep an eye on it, even though it's not technically a startup, a company acquired 20 years ago. But I think the technology is so innovative and still cutting edge that it warrants keeping an eye on it. And no doubt we will see some other startup activities surrounding drones as it applies to this kind of air taxi concept. So stay tuned for more on Insitu and Archer and this new kind of amalgamation of drone technology that will be occurring here in the region.